Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am David from Nagar branch. In the new class, we start Solidworks. Okay, it is a fully completely 3D design software. So we have Solidworks 2021 version. So what is Solidworks? So we know that Solidworks is a 3D modeling software. We can modeling 3D modelings in surface design sheet metal. So what is 3D modeling? So what it's called 3D modeling. Solidworks is a solid modeling computer aided design. Computer aided design means CAD means CAD, and computer aided engineering CAE. Computer program published by Dassault Systems that run primarily on Microsoft Windows. So the Dassault system is developed by Solidworks. In the initial release date is November 1, 1995. 1995. Okay. So it is which is the operating system? The Microsoft Windows is the operating system, and it is available in English language, and there are two types of Solidworks. The first one is CAD, second one is CAD. So, and it is available website is www.solidworks.com. And what is the license purchase? The purchase amount is Solidworks paying 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. So it is the basic information of Solidworks. So you can see this interface will be showing DS Solidworks 2021. It means Dassault system. So first go to new, take new and choose. There are dividing in 3 types: part, assembly, drawing. So you can choose part modeling, you can choose part, you can assemble the parts, so you can choose assembly, and drafting the part you can choose drawing. So first I will choose part and take OK. So this type of interface shows like this. This is your part 3. This is your part 3, and this is your sketching layout, like drawing layout. This is your drawing layout. So this is your menu bar, like these are menu bars. So this is the starting basic class. So first we can draw the sketches. You can see they are same as it is. Which tools you are using AutoCAD, the same tools will be wearing in drawing tools like this: line, circle, spline, rectangle, arc, ellipse, straight, flat, polygon. So these are same 9 tools are will be using in Solidworks. Also we can use in Solidworks. So this is the basic class of Solidworks. So we can start the drawing in tomorrow class. So I will tell you how to create part models and how to draw the drawing in AutoCAD. So these are will be seeing tomorrow class. Thank you for everyone watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel. Thank you.